Thursday, 30 April 2026. St. Pius V. Focus. A servant is not greater than his master. Many of us have experienced hardship and have a story to tell. Perhaps a rags to riches tale or one of tribulation to triumph. But when success comes, do we forget those moments when we were down on our knees, pleading for God's mercy and saving help? Paul, in the first reading, reminds the Jews of their journey from being a wandering, oppressed tribe to a prosperous people. He points to God's faithfulness through it all. God, who provided judges, prophets, and kings, and finally sent Jesus, King and Savior. The psalmist extols the steadfast love of God, and Jesus himself reminds us that he expects us to follow his example of humility and servant leadership. But we easily forget and cling to a position in profession or ministry. Even public servant is often a term signifying misused authority by those who forget they serve under the Constitution, not above it. We must remember that our talents are God's gifts. We are only his instruments, stewards, not owners. We serve like Jesus. To serve like Jesus is to take the lowest place, to gratefully remember the hand that held ours in the storm, and to never claim for ourselves what belongs to God. Our stories are not just our own, but stories the Lord has written with mercy and grace. Fruit. Let us humbly remember that our talents, gifts, and successes are not our personal possessions, but are entrusted to us mainly to serve others.